The first step is to simply go to your Steam profile, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply click on artwork. Now this method shows you how to add a GIF to your profile, not your avatar, but if you want to add a GIF to your avatar, make sure to watch this until the end because I'm gonna show you how you can do that too. So here you're gonna have to select upload artwork and then choose not game specific. Now here you're gonna have to give it a name and then you're gonna have to choose your GIF. So I'm gonna go and download a random GIF. So I'm gonna download this one here and then I'm gonna show you how we can add this. So let me save it right here and then let's open Steam again. And now we're gonna have to choose our file. So this one here, and as you can see, we have our GIF and then simply add description and then simply choose here the visibility and then simply check this box and click on save and continue. And basically that's all you have to do. Now, of course, you're gonna have to approve it first, so it's gonna take a while. Now, let's say you want to add a GIF to your avatar, so this one here in the corner. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your account and then what you're gonna have to do, so let's go to our profile and click on edit profile. Now here you're gonna have to go to Steam Points shop and then here you're gonna have to choose avatars. And you can pick these ones here, as you can see they're animated, but you're gonna have to use your points in order to get these. So basically that's all you have to do.